I'm a mom of two, rebuilding her life with God, starting over from scratch. But I'm taking you guys behind the scenes with regards to rebuilding my entire life, rebuilding my brand, reconstructing my business, moving out of my comfort zone, and just doing whatever it is that God is calling me to do, but while staying on the edge and while being a mom and running a business. So let's go. Today, we're going to start off with regards to I am completely in the space where I create content. So I'm going to create content for my business page. I am a mental health coach, and that's what God has called me to do. So I'm gonna show up for my assignment. So let's go. Let me take you behind the scenes with regards to my setup and what I'm doing with regards to that.
So that Jones video mind so long that we bring it out isn't here to places. Be transformed by renewing your mind, but doesn't mean tear out the old thoughts. But we replace them with being literally exposed to rip out the philosophies, the ideas, the ideals of the world, and replace them with ideas and ideals of the word. I got a video years ago. Get the L out of your mind. What L? So remember that, right? Because having the word in our mind.
This area is already set up. These lights that I got there from Shein. Don't mind the broken mirror, but these lights is what I got from Shein, and I don't have like an extension, so I just open them up to the laptop here, and that's how I can actually get the lights. I have my board here where I'm going to teach on, and I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna create content now for my business page. While my son is sleeping. I typically have like about 2 hours to get these content created, so I need to get done. So what time is it? Let me see. So the time now, it's 12:26 p.m. Let me see if I can get things done by 2 o'clock. I can get the contents finished creating by 2 o'clock. Let's go. So my son damaged this, but it's not so badly damaged. I don't know. It's not as sturdy as it used to be. So I'm gonna switch it over. To this. So this is the OG ring light that I had before. So I'm gonna switch it over to this, and yeah, let's go. I'll put it right here. Yeah, and okay. It's gonna have to go down because okay, over here. Much better. Okay, this is much better. I'm still batch creating, but the lights are out. The lights are out. So I only have that my tripod light on now, but it has to work. And I'm getting natural light from outside, which is so good. Like, I need to start creating content in the day because look at that light. But anyways, let's go before my phone dies. So the time is 2 o'clock. An update, I'm finished for today. Well, for now, because I still have to create at least 4 more videos. But my phone has no space. So I'm gonna have to get my get some space in my phone, and then I'm going to continue later when they are asleep.